Hey there everyone! Welcome to our 3-minute vlog. Today we're going to talk about something really cool. The difference between data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. But wait, we're going to use candles to help us understand it. How awesome is that? Okay, let's start with data. Imagine this short candle represents data. Just like data, it's raw and basic. It doesn't tell us how much on its own, right? Now, let's light up this candle. And... okay. Now we have some light. This light candle represents information. Information is when we added meaning to data. It's like when we light up candle and suddenly we can see things more clearly. And finally, knowledge and wisdom. Check out this tall candle. It's like tower, isn't it? Well, think of knowledge as the ability to understand information. So when we have lots of information, we can build up our knowledge. Just like adding more wax to make the candle taller. But wait, there's more. Wisdom is like knowing when and how to use knowledge wisely. It's not just about having lots of information or knowing stuff, but it's about making good choices and helping others. So, to sum it up, data is like basic stuff, information adds meaning, knowledge is understanding, and wisdom is knowing how to use it wisely. Pretty cool, right? And that's a wrap for today. Thank you for tuning, and remember, keep learning and stay curious. See you next time!